What's up, everybody? It's Jay Jones coming at you from Donley, Florida, Shelby. Did you know you could get a brand new Bronco Sport for around $36,000? I have a couple Bronco Sports here with me today. Let me show you a couple features. Let's get it. All right, folks. So first we got the 2023 OuterBanks. But before we hop inside, let me show you something around back. Whenever you're looking to get in and out of your trunk here fast, you just pop this glass and you slide your groceries in and out. Alright folks, as we hop inside, you can see that we have the leather interior memory seats. I'm going to start here on the driver's side. As you can see, we have the universal garage door opener. We come down, we have the GOAT mode, we have the wireless charging pad, as well as heated seats and a heating steering wheel. You come up to the center stack screen, we have navigation system. Take me to Donley Ford in Shelby, Ohio.
When ready, press the voice button and then say, set as destination, or dial the number.
Set as destination.
Setting new destination.
Obey traffic laws, the alert, and use voice commands while driving. Please proceed to the highlighted route and then the road guidance will start.
Alright folks, next up we have the Bronco Heritage. If you come on with me to the back, this is a cool feature for you to go camping with. As you're sitting by the campfire, you can use this convenient table to sip your favorite beverage out of your new and free Donley Destinations Yeti. Right after that, you can measure your fish that you just caught on your handy dandy ruler. And last but not least, we have the Bronco Big Bin. If you come on with me to the back of the Big Bin, as you can see, we have a plethora of cargo space, so you can store big items as well as your small destinations Yeti, as well as rubberized seat covers to protect from grime and dirt. All right, guys, it was great spending time with you, but I got to get back to work. If you want your very own Ford Bronco, just come on down to 249 Mansfield Ave and ask for Jay. Catch you later.